Hello and welcome back. Today we will see how we can building 2D scenes with Canva. So let's add a new page and choose color for a background. Go to the top menu, colors, and I am choosing this one. Here you see the code. So next we will add the form. Click letter R and we have the rectangle. Make it bigger and put on the bottom. This color is here if you need the same color. So I will leave this color. Let's go to the left side menu, elements, and search for school board. Choose graphics, and here we can choose any school board, resize it. Next, let's go to the elements and enter school desk icon and choose any desk. Now we can search for school pencil. I'm choosing this one. And I add these people. It is available for Pro account. So if you want to try Pro account, click my affiliate link in the description. And this keyword you will find in the description too. Click right button and send backwards. And here you go. If you want free these images, you can search for uniform, and here you can find free images, and that's it. So I hope you like this tutorial. Click like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, check my new extensive Canva master course on udemy.com. See you next time.